Alright, I'm back with the Miller Maxstar 140 TIG stick welder. I'm going to lay out a couple of beads with it right quick, show you how it operates. As you can see here, the amperage control is right here on the front, and I have the operation switch. It is on TIG right now, and I'm running about probably 105 amps, and I'm on 230 volts right now, which is the grayscale on this front panel here. And I'm running DC EN, which is DC current, electrode negative. That will mean your TIG cord here will be on the negative side, and your ground clamp will actually be on your right hand side here. And as you can see, if you follow the line down, it goes off to your gas, which I've got hooked up over here. This is 100% argon, and I'm running about 20 pounds out of it right now. And on the other end is the TIG torch here, and it is this lower one. And what a lot of people have asked me on this particular unit is what about the amperage control. Now on this unit, it is strictly controlled on the front panel here by the amperage knob, and so that means there's no foot control or no finger control. But once you get it dialed in, you'll be good to go. I don't think that's a hindrance in my opinion. It works just as well. And to start the arc, I will just be pressing the tungsten against a square tubing here and drawing it up about an 1/8 inch, and that will start my arc, and I'll lay out. This will be my test piece of metal here. I'll lay a couple beads on. It's a 1/8 inch square tubing, and I've just been playing around. Actually, most of those are from when I first got it, just trying to learn how to use it. But I'll go ahead and lay out some more right quick and let you see how that works. Turn the machine on. And as with any TIG welding, you'll want to have the surface as clean as you can get it within reason. I just like to use my Dremel whenever I'm cleaning it up. It seems to work pretty good. Clean the rust scales off. Gloves on, which is very important. You get burnt pretty quick if you're not wearing the right clothing. On the TIG torch, you'll have a gas valve on the top. You'll want to open it up to begin with, and you have your filler rod. I'm using 3/32 filler rod. I'll go ahead and lay out a bead. Make sure to turn your gas back off. Speed blade. As you can see here, this upper bead here is the one I just laid. And it's I don't claim to be the best, but I can usually lay them down enough to get the job done. That's one. I'll go ahead and lay out one more and show you. Alright, here we go on bead number 2, and if you listen to the welder, you'll hear the fan kicking on and off, and the way these welders are designed is the fan only comes on whenever it is needed. That way it's not running the whole time, but if you run it you know, for an extended period of time, of course it'll stay on to keep it cool. But in the meantime, it just kind of cycles on and off. So we'll get started here. again, I'm using the same 3/32 filler rod. And I'm using the same heat setting, which is around 105 amps. Cut the gas on. Alright. Alright, I've got a bead right under that one. Once again, I'm sure a person that's done this a lot more than me. I've got very little time in learning this, but that's what kind of bead it'll do. And of course it will weld thicker material. You can slow the your pass down and weld with higher amperage. I think this would be a really handy machine for somebody that needs to do on-the-job repairs and needs to be mobile. So. Alright, well thank you and good luck bidding on this this Miller welder. Thank you.